Hey Queen, welcome to the channel. My name is Dima, and on this channel I share lots of natural hair growth DIY contents to improve your hair growth, thickness and health. Please, before you continue watching, kindly subscribe by tapping the red button on your interface and share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed watching it. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super potent herbal hairspray you need to grow your hair fast and also for thickness, and lastly to grow your hair on bald spots. So my first ingredient for today's recipe is neem powder. Neem is one remedy that people have trusted on since ages. You can solve all your hair problems with just using neem. Neem is extracted from neem tree, neem leaves or neem seeds that contain a lot of benefits. The medicinal purpose of neem is to keep all common hair problems away. Neem is ideal solution for all your hair issues. For the proportion, I'm just going to be adding a tablespoon of the neem powder into a bowl. Make sure the bowl you're using is sterilized. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is cloves. Cloves are no longer new to this channel. We have used it for loads of recipes on this channel, and a lot of you have got one or two feedbacks to give on cloves. You guys have used this on your hair, and some of you have got a lot of amazing feedbacks from using cloves. This right here is one great product you need to avoid any kind of hair damage. Consistent use can go a long way in repairing it. Fortunately, many natural hair care remedies that are available in your kitchen can help you achieve your dream hair without burning a hole in your pocket. Cloves are definitely one of those hair care products that you have in your home that can help you with your hair problems. They are rich in a number of nutrients required for hair growth, including potassium, sodium, omega-3, fatty acids, iron, magnesium, vitamin K and C, iodine, and fiber. They are also full of antioxidants that help protect the hair from oxidative damage. For this recipe, I made use of 1 tablespoon of cloves, and here are my ingredients: just neem powder and cloves. So I'll go ahead and boil up some water that I'll be adding into this. Make sure your water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be adding about 500 ml worth of hot water into the mix. After adding in your water, go ahead and cover this up and allow to infuse for 8 to 12 hours. I'm using my foil paper to cover this up. Please do not use any plastic cover or lid to cover this. The reason for the long infusion is because these ingredients are well dried. They are dried, so you infuse for long so you can get all the benefits embedded in these ingredients. So after infusion, here is what I have. You can tell that the water has changed color to amber or whatever you call it. So I'll proceed to sieving this to get my hairspray. So you sieve this, get your filtrate and discard the residue. After sieving, I noticed some particles underneath my bowl, so I'll go ahead and sieve the second time using a cheesecloth this time around, just to trap all the particles that would have been stuck in my hair if I had used it the way you can see. So this is the particles that would have been stuck in my hair and caused me dandruff and skin issues. So I'll go ahead and transfer this into my spray bottle. This will help with easy application. Now, if you don't have a spray bottle like so, you can improvise. You can improvise by using your body spray bottles, wash them thoroughly and sterilize, and you're good to go. Please, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please kindly do so right away. This is the best time to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, this is the best time to smash that red button. So our hairspray is ready for use. I will go ahead and use it on my protective style. Why not? Neem powder is perfect when you're in protective style. I must say this at this point. Please, if you are new to this channel, I advise you visit my hair tips, my playlist titled hair tips. Go ahead and watch some of the videos there. That would help you understand how to use some of the DIY products shared on those channel. I shared a lot on that playlist. Go ahead and burn the entire playlist. That will help you understand how to care for your hair before trying out any DIY products shared on those channel. Now for this recipe, for this product, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week to hydrate your hair, focusing on your problem areas, bald spots, thinning areas. Please ensure you give yourself a gentle massage on those problem areas after using this to hydrate those areas. And to think that this recipe is perfect for your scalp because of the neem in it, go ahead and use this on your problem areas. Do not forget to use your leave-in conditioners to help with moisture retention and also sealing the moisture with your hair butter cream or hair growth oil. This treatment can also be used for hair loss. Hair loss is one of the most common hair-related complaints in the world. Almost 50% of the global population is suffering from excessive hair fall. When you lose hair much faster than your scalp can regrow them, it can result in hair thinning, receding hairline, and bald patches. Environmental pollutants, genetics, poor diet, and hair products containing harsh chemicals all contribute to this phenomenon. This combo, cloves and neem, can help prevent excessive hair loss by strengthening your hair shafts and promoting growth of new hair. Also, this treatment can soothe scalp itching and irritation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. A healthy scalp leads to a healthy hair. It is important to take care of your scalp, which contains the follicles that sprout your hair growth. This treatment contains antiseptic and antifungal properties that can get rid of dandruff in a short time. Dandruff is a mild skin condition that causes flakiness on the scalp. It is extremely common condition that is usually accompanied by itchiness and dryness. Drawing the curtains here, this video is not meant to be lengthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly comment hi for me in the comment section and I will see you shortly.